video which will be very helpful to our parents and students from 3rd to 6th standard. I have been working as a teacher for nearly 11 years and I have noticed that when it comes to essays, paragraph writing, the vocabulary which the children have is very limited. They don't experiment and use new words. Okay, so today I have come with such a game which will be interesting for the students as well, and it will enrich their vocabulary too. Children normally love to understand in a playway method where they can learn as well as there is a playing experience for them. Then they learn in a better way. So let's start with this game which is known as enriching our vocabulary. Now how are we going to play this game? We'll give a simple word like pretty to the children and ask them to find similar such words. For example, they might come up with word like beautiful. We'll ask them to get such more words. They may come up with good looking. Another word may be attractive and gorgeous. You can see that with the same meaning words we have nearly 5 words. So this is the way they can experiment with new words and include it in their vocabulary. Let's take another word. For example, we'll give them the word tasty and ask them to come up with new words which is having the same meaning or synonym to tasty. They may come up with a word like flavorful, delicious, lip smacking, mouth watering, and appetizing. Can you see we have 6 words with the same similar meaning which they can use in different types of sentences. Let's take another word. For example, we give them the word clever. What can be another word for clever? They might come up with a word like intelligent. Think more. What word is same to this meaning? It may be brilliant, genius, and ingenious. You can see how we can experiment with words and include more and more words in their vocabulary which will help them to be fluent and incorporate new words in whatever they write or they say. For example, we'll take one more example like wonderful. We'll ask them to make a sentence where we use synonym of wonderful. They might come up with word like awesome. Can you think of more such words? Amazing, fantastic, and astounding. In this way, we can help the children learn in a playway method as well as which will benefit them and enrich their language skills too. Let's take the last word for the day, children. Charming. Please come up with the word which have synonym meanings like charming. They might come up with the word spellbound. Another word, entranced, enchanting, mystic, and necromantic. Now with this simple game, we can even encourage the children to use dictionary, read articles and underline the words which they don't understand. Then they might come to us whereby we can explain to them how you can use these words in your day-to-day life or to write essays, report writings, etc. How was today's video? Please let me know. I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.